All right, hey, so I just wanted to do a quick update. It's been a while. Working on the cannabis content website, always building it out. We've got some really big features rolling out. Particularly, we've got something now where clients are going to have to pay 50% deposit every time they order some custom content. So this is a really big one. We had a little bit of issues over the past few months where customers would be coming and placing orders and then just going ghost with really little option for us on our part to track them down and get them to pay. So um, my sincere apologies to anybody that's affected. It's affected myself as well as a number of other creators, and I'm very sorry about that. So we got real quick. My hair is poking out. We got real quick, we got our dev team to jump on this to try to fix this, where it's going to create anytime an order is created, they'll have to pay half up front, and then they can submit the second half of the payment once they approve of the content. And then if they don't approve it, then at least the writers can try to sell that elsewhere and recoup the second half of their agreed upon rate. So hopefully that'll help a lot of people out. We've got a few other things coming up too. I'm trying to partner with somebody who's going to help me implement a course on our website, so that people who complete the course, they can come and they can earn a little bit higher of a commission on the site. And then also, obviously, if you complete your course and you get a certificate, then you can also charge higher rates. So you'll get a lot of money there. Also, if you go onto the site, you can see that we now have 3 of our vendors displayed on our homepage. That's something new that's going to be rolling out next month. We're going to start a new kind of a contest type of thing where our highest sellers in April moving forward are going to get their profile displayed on our homepage. So whoever sells the most through the site can get a little bit of extra boost by having their profile displayed on our homepage. So that's just a few of the different updates we're coming up with. I'm really excited about all of them. They're definitely going to help us, help you guys make more money and be a little bit more confident in the site. Unfortunately, we are still unable to pay vendors in certain areas of the world. I know in particular we cannot distribute payments to anybody in Kenya. There's a few other countries there that are also included, which I'll share a list of countries that we do work with. And if you're not on there, unfortunately, we can't work with you. But if you are, then please go ahead and sign up. Here pretty soon, we're going to have this course to help you guys learn how to make money, how to make more money, what you're doing in the first place, learn certain rules and regulations that are specific to the cannabis industry. So there's a lot of really great information that's coming out there. So keep an eye out for that. Keep an eye out here within the next few days. We're going to have that new payment structure, so that you can be a lot more confident in your bids and your assignments. If you have any other features that you would like us to add, if you have any thoughts about the features that are rolling out, please share them below. We're trying to build this site to work for everybody. It's a work in progress. It always is going to be. We're always going to be building out. But we couldn't do it without you and without your feedback. So please let us know what you think. If you haven't had a chance to check us out yet, please go visit CannabisContent.net. If you are interested in becoming a writer or a creator, a digital content creator, so this could be writing, photography, graphic design. If you're interested in joining the platform to sell your services, check out CannabisContent.net/get-started, and that'll take you to the registration page. And of course, if you have any questions, just comment below or email me, abby@cannabiscontent.net. I'm really excited for this next step in this growth. It's been a trip. It's been a long growing opportunity, but we're making it work, and we're making it work for everybody, and that includes every single one of you. So let me know what you think. I guess that's all I got for now. Thanks, guys. I appreciate your support, and check out Cannabis Content.